I type here my prompt. You are a risk manager with 10 years of experience and a background in the oil and gas industry. Analyze this annual report and highlight the risks mentioned directly or indirectly. Okay, now we have received a different set of risks, including risks that were not directly mentioned. For example, geopolitical risk is not listed in the risk factors section, but appears in other parts of the report. However, I'm not too satisfied with the results so far. They are not specific enough. How can we make our request more precise? Let's tell the AI exactly what to look for when identifying risks in a report. I created a list of keywords that point to specific risks we might see elsewhere in the report. These include uncertainty, volatility, dependency, safety incidents, expansion into new markets, ESG initiatives, and so on.